Morning children, welcome to online class. In today's class, we are going to discuss chapter 3 children, that is LCM and HCF children. LCM and HCF. Children, LCM, its full form is least common multiple children, and the full form of HCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor. In this chapter, from basics onwards, we'll cover all the topics children. We are also going to discuss briefly about LCM and HCF, prime factorization concepts, divisible methods, and factorization concepts. So here, before going to discuss, you need to take page number 31 children. 31 from mathematics textbook children. Page number 31, chapter 3, and in that exercise 3.1 children. Exercise 3.1. In that the first problem is from exercise 3.1 children. That is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and 16. So children, before going to understand this problem, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 6, they said no. So I will give a number. And you should notice that number is divisible by 2 or more. Can you say 28 is divisible by 2? You can say if you have a clear command on the table children. But if you don't have, how you can say that? How the 28 number gets divisible by 2. So you need not to say, means you won't say anything to them. For that reason, there are divisibility rules. There are divisibility rules. Children, so divisibility rules you should understand properly children. There are many divisibility rules regarding each and every number. So we will discuss exercise wise children. Like exercise 3.1, in that there are many concepts. By concepts wise we will discuss divisibility rules. So here we got the opportunity to discuss 2, 3 and 6 children. So children, if any of the digit, here it is a 2-digit number 28, ones place and tens place, you know that. Indian place value system, you know that. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So any of the digit at the right side starts with the ones letter. So at the ones place, if any of the digit like 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, if there are any numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place, we can damn surely say that this number is divisible by 2 children. So here it is 8. I can say this number is divisible by 2. If here any of the digit like 0 is there, again I can say that this number is divisible by 2. If here in the place of ones 2, it is divisible by 2. Understand children? The digits like 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, which are in the ones place only, the ones place, and we can say those numbers are divisible by 2 children. Next children, here 393 means it is a 3-digit number children. And if I ask you like this, whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, if you have a proper command in tables, you can say. But if you don't have that command, how can you say children? So this is simply you can say simply by sum of the digits like 3 Children, you know that 15 is a multiple of 3. 3 5s are 15, you know that. In the 15 table, in the 3, sorry children, in the table 3, the 15 is divisible by number 3 children. 3 5s are 15, no? So, by summing of the digits, if the number which is getting, if it is a multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3 children. One more example children. Children, here it is 735. 735. How can you say this 735 is divisible by 3? Simply divide. Means sum of these digits, how much? 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Again, you know again 15 is a multiple of 3. 3 5s are 15. So this number is divisible by 3 children. So you understand, I think so. If any number that gets divisible by 2 means in the ones place it should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 children. If any number should be divisible by 3 means we need to sum the digits, and after doing the summing of the digits you will get a value. By checking that value you can say it is a multiple of 3 or not children. So like that you should do divisibility of 2 and 3 children. But they again said 6 children. Why they said 6? If a number which is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6 children. So one more example regarding that I will say children. Children, look at here. Here it is a 3-digit number, that is 282. You know that if any number that should be divisible by 2 means its ones place is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, anything. So here it is 2 in the ones place. So I can say that this number is divisible by 2. Next, coming to the divisible number by 3. How can you say this number is divisible by 3? Add the digits. 2 plus sum of the digits. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 children. You know that 12 is a multiple of 3. 3 4s are 12, no? So it is also divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So it is also divisible by 6 because 2 3s are how much? 6 only, no? So like that, if any of the number which is divisible by 2 and 3, that also divisible by 6 children. So I will do some children from this Roman one. Children, simple children. The first one, you can simply say this number is divisible by 2. How, sir? Because its ones place is 2. So divisible by 2 children. Divisible by 2. Next, if you want to get divisible this number by 3 means add this number. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7. How much children? 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 9 children. How much children? 13 plus 9. 22. 22 plus 2. How much? 24. You know 24 is a multiple of 3. It's how many times? 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So it is also divisible by 3. I said that if a number which is divisible by 2 as well as 3 is also divisible by 6. So divisible by 6. The entire number is divisible by 2, 3 as well as 6. Next problem children, like that only. Some. So here it is 1790184. 1790184. Children, you can simply say again this number also divisible by 2. How? Because in the ones place it is 4. I said that in the ones place the digits should be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. any of the digit, any of the number, no problem. So it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 children. Next, if you want to get this number divided by 3, so add these digits. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9. Sorry children. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, how much children? 17. 17 plus 0. 17 plus 1. 18. 18 plus 8 children. 26. 26 plus 4 children. How much children? 26 plus 4. 30. 1 plus 7. 8. 8 plus 9. 17. 17 plus 0. 17. 17 plus 1. 18. 18 plus 8 children. Means 26. 26 plus 4 equal to 30. So 30 is a multiple of 3 children because 3 times are 30, no? So divisible by 3. If this is divisible by 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. So like this you have to do the remaining sums children. We will discuss next divisibility rules in the next class children. Thank you children. Follow children. Follow carefully.